Welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be working on a real basic project. These are bookends that I want to build. I've got some books floating around here in my studio, and I also need them for some props. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some random wood that I have kind of kicking around here. I'm thinking about maybe a couple of 2x6s or 2x4s. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. I've done this years ago, and it's really simple to do. And the reason why I want to show this off is because anybody that's getting into basic building projects, this is a real simple one to do. So the only difference I'm going to do with this project from when I did it before is I'm actually going to stain it and put some polyurethane on it afterwards. So let's go ahead and get started. So I ended up using some 2x6 that I had kicking around, as you see as I was cutting this up. You can use almost anything. I thought I was going to use some 2x4, but I ended up finding a piece of 2x6 instead. And then I stained it and put some poly on it. Not a lot to it. I mean, it's very basic. So if you're just getting into woodworking, this is a very simple thing to do. So just go ahead and make your books, and hopefully they work. They will. So I'm just going to throw these books up here. And should work with no problem at all. Just slide it up there like that, because I'm on the back side of this, so there it is. So real happy with that. Really didn't cost me anything because I had some junk lumber kicking around. So well, I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next one.